Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Soni. So guys, we will solve these two patterns today. So here is something to notice that the number of column we have number of column we have number of row, and we are printing stars in a row according to their row number. Like there is first row we are printing 5 stars, second row we are printing 4 star, 3 for 3 we are printing 3 star, for 4 we are printing 2 star. Means the number of row, जैसे जैसे हम रो का नंबर बढ़ा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे स्टार वी आर प्रिंटिंग इन इज रो इज डिक्रीमेंटिंग. मतलब जैसे जैसे रो का नंबर बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे स्टार हम रो में कम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं. तो मतलब देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लाइक नंबर ऑफ स्टार वी आर प्रिंटिंग इन रो is indirectly proportional to the row number. जैसे जैसे रो नंबर बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे स्टार वी आर प्रिंटिंग इन रो इज डिक्रीमेंटिंग, राइट? So I will show you the little dry run. I will also show you dry run and logic behind it. So what we have to do, we have simply what we have to do, first loop will be for like row, like for example row is 5. Okay, so for row is called 5, this will run 5 times. And what we have to do, we have to print these for like column is the basically number of column, this will show, and minus I means the number of I basically is representing row number. So as row number is incrementing, the number of star we are printing is decrementing. Okay, so here j plus will be, and see out something like this will work. This is spaces between them, and this is for next line. I will show you dry run. Here less than equal to will be there. I will show you dry run, don't worry. So here we will take row as input and column as input, scene row and scene column. This is what we are doing. Here what we are doing, I will show you dry run. We for example 5 and 5 we have input, the number of star is printing like this. Okay, so for every value of 5 the inner loop will work for I is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0, j will work for j equal to 1, but j equal to 2, j equal to 3, column minus I. Column की value is 5. Example 5 minus 0 equal to 5 means from j equal to 1 to लेको from j equal to 1 to j equal to 5, this will work, means 5 times this will work. So 5 times it will print star. Then after completing this loop we are printing endl. Endl is for next line, means what we will print will be print from next line. Now for I is equal to 2, this will work j equal to 1 to column 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4 means this will work from j equal to 1 to j equal to 4, means 1 2 3 4 4 times this will work. So it will print star 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 star. For I is equal to 3, from j equal to 1 to j is equal to 3 means 3 times it will work star star star, something like that. It will print the pattern. We can take another example also. Means basically what we are doing is to decrementing the number of star as the number of row is increasing. So we basically what we will do, we will simply subtract the row number. Basically I is representing row number here. This is for row, this is for row, and this is for column, this is for column. So I basically representing the row number. Okay, so this will work, and we can take another example also, like 6 7 we have taken. So like there is 6 row, there is 7 column, and in the first row there is like 7 stars, 6 stars, 4 5 4 3 2 1 2. Actually basically it is 6 now, that's why it will go till 2 star. If we print 7 7 it will go till 1 star. Okay, 7 7 it will go till 1 star. Hope you can understand this one. Let's go for the second one. For second one pattern, so have you noticed one thing, this pattern and this pattern is almost same. There's only one thing to think is the index. Here we are printing star. If instead of star, if we print the value of j like in a loop, this will work. Okay, I will show you how. Like what we are doing, exactly what we are doing here. For I is equal to this will for I is equal to 0, the inner loop will work from j equal to 1 to j equal to 5. Like what we can so like we can directly print the inner loop value of j. If we print direct value of j, this will print like 1 2 3 4 5, and for the next line 1 2 3 4, for the next line 1 2 3, exact same for pattern is there. So basically what we will do, instead of a star we will directly print the value of inner loop. So will, I will also show you 5 5, 1 2 3 4 5. We can take 7 7 6 6, any value we can take input. Like we will take 8 8 this time, 1 to 8, 1 to 7, 1 1 1 1. If number of row and number of column is same, it will go till 1, otherwise it will go to as row number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys are able to understand this part. Thank you so much.